Hello everybody, welcome your faces back to your one and only favorite crypto jet. Now today we're going to be talking about Litecoin on the daily time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. We're going to do our usual multi-time frame analysis, top-down analysis, and we're going to predict where this price is going to go in the near future. Now we have seen a very nice bullish candle of today, break out of a strong bullish correction. We'll talk a bit more about that in a second. First of all, let's just take a look at the stats for this coin and the market in general. Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 41.7% at the moment, with Ethereum ever growing more and more by market cap, reaching the over 20% dominance for probably the first time in a while. And Litecoin is sitting at a market cap of around $13 billion at the moment, at quite a high price, obviously, but not as high as it used to be, right? So we may be aiming for a new all-time high soon. That's about it for this part of the play. And what I wanted to discuss today is minimum price objective and the fundamentals of it. So once you see a flag or a pennant or something that looks like a bullish corrective structure, and by bullish corrective structure, I mean anything. See, I wouldn't plot it like this, right? I mean anything that points towards more upside. So that could be, let me just make a few illustrations for you. So one, it can be a classic bullish flag, right? So a formation, sorry for the shit drawing, but a formation, something along the lines of this, right? So that's a perfect bull flag. It's usually a corrective structure, and it happens on the market quite often, right? Then the second thing that could happen is somewhat of a pennant or a triangle, right? Something like this. And that's also a valid bullish corrective structure. Third thing that can happen is, you have these pennants, you have all of these things, and you have something that looks like this. So everything that looks similar to this is most likely a bullish corrective structure. And how to identify it and how to actually enter the market with them, well, it's very simple. You just wait for a big candle to plow right through it. So my entry would probably be on a lower time frame on Litecoin. Now we're hindsight trading, but it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to prove a concept to you. And my entry to this coin would be exactly here or here, or here, because these are the areas where the price actually broke out of this structure. Now pay attention also to the 50 period moving average line, which is this orange line right here. Let me just check something real quick. So this orange line, as you can see, it's kind of been below the price. It's the 50 period MA, and it's been below the price, somewhat acting as a level of support. So we didn't quite reach it at times, but as you can see right here, right here, right here, right here. So at a lot of points, it actually acted as a support for the price. And then in recent times, that connection was somehow lost, but currently the price is sitting exactly on top of the 50 period moving average and on top of this bullish pennant. So basically what I'm trying to say is that was another confluence for a potential buy on this coin. And obviously Litecoin does have some solid fundamentals. So if you're a long-term investor, buying in even at this price where it's at currently would not be a bad thing to do, right? So I think that would be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Adios.